In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log out of YouTube Google account. So if you want to log out or remove an existing YouTube account, which is also your Google account, let me show you how it's done. Now for this, you'll need to completely remove the Google account from your device in order to remove your YouTube as well, which is of course connected with your Google. So for that, you can also do it from the settings of your device, but it would be much easier from Gmail. So just open up your Gmail app, tap on the profile icon on the top right, and then tap on manage accounts on this device. Once you tap that, it's going to straight take you to the settings of your phone from where you can remove your Google account. So tap on the option which says Google and pick the account that you want to remove. Once you do, you will somewhere have an option of delete or remove straight away, or in my case it says more, and if I tap on more, here I have an option of remove, and your Google account will be successfully removed from your phone, which means your YouTube will also be logged out. So that is the only way of removing or logging out of YouTube, that is to completely remove an Google account from your device. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.